Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're doing my nails. They are in desperate need of being redone, and I thought I would take the opportunity to review this new set that I got from Beetles Gel Polish. This is the electric Carnival set. I got it because it matches the vibe of my hair currently, and I think these are going to be such cute nails if they turn out the way I want them to. So this is what the colors look like. So we're going to use these colors today and create something really cute on my nails. And I'm also going to swatch these colors for you guys so you can see and so I can see and figure out which ones that I want to use. So if you want to see how this set works, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so first things first, swatching. We're going to be putting this in my color book right up here. I do have my polishes more sorted out by color, but I obviously can't like move all of the colors around just to fit in this set. So we are just going to start sorting them by sets. And eventually I'll probably get like another book maybe, and then like, I don't know, resort them. We'll see. This one is C521. It's just like a bright neon pink. Then we have C522. I think this one's the slightly warmer looking one, I'm pretty sure. I bet that me swatching that first one was not on camera because I'm the literal worst at this. Oh no, this one's the cooler toned one. The other one's the warm one. You guys can definitely tell they're like pretty much the same color, but one's cooler, one's warmer. Then we have C523, which is the sparkly one. Probably the one I'm the most excited about. I am gonna clean these up, I promise. Then we have C524, which is the like pearlescent purple, which is so beautiful. I'm really tempted to use this, but it does not match the vibe of my nails that I'm going for today. But it's so pretty. Then we have C525. And that one's just like a really pretty bright neon purple. I don't normally go for neons. This definitely wasn't a set I was expecting to get. This is C526. This is the black, like, sparkly one, which other than the pink sparkly one is my favorite in this whole set. It's also very pigmented. That's awesome. I wasn't sure how the pigmentation was going to be on this one, but that's stunning. I'm going to clean these up and then we'll do a second coat. So this is the nail look I have decided on. I think it turned out so cute. I did have to use a different black because I wanted to have like the plain like cream colors along with like the sparkly colors. So I did have to add a little color to this, but it's still Beetles. And it is sold on its own, so you could buy the set and that. We're just gonna go ahead and do this together real quick. I'm also going to be using this nude polish here because I want to do French tips, as you guys saw. And this is the closest match to like my skin tone, and I feel like this one just looks the best. I do have some from Beetles Gel Polish, but none of them seem to match my skin tone quite as well as this one. Okay, my nails are done, and just like every other Beetles set I've used, this one was super cute. The colors are very accurate to what they look like online, and like most of the sets, it was super affordable. So I'm very happy with the way my nails turned out. It's not usually, these are not colors I usually like, but I'm quite excited. I think they're very, very cute. What do you guys think? Also, we're gonna add this one to the nail book. I think that's all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know if you want to see more nail videos. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!